Elon Musk has announced the most highly anticipated SUV for this year, the all-new Model Y. This innovative vehicle has been shaking up the EV industry ever since its release. But what makes the Model Y stand out in a world full of electric vehicles? And why do people love the Model Y so much? With these questions in mind, we have a lot to cover in this video. So, quickly join us and we'll explore the new 2023 Tesla Model Y that has set the automotive world upside down. The Tesla Model Y is here, ready to shake up the world full of electric vehicles. This electric SUV is built for performance, with a range of up to 326 miles on a single charge and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.5 seconds. And that's not all. The Model Y also boasts a spacious and luxurious interior, complete with a big touchscreen display and a panoramic glass roof. And for added convenience, it comes equipped with Tesla's autopilot feature, which allows for semi-autonomous driving. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn about the Model Y. Join us and let's learn more about this incredible SUV. The Tesla Model Y is the ultimate electric crossover SUV. This electric crossover SUV has been injected with steroids to bring you the best of both worlds. This innovative vehicle takes all the best parts of the Model 3 sedan. It adds a lot of extra awesomeness, making it the perfect choice for a spacious, stylish, and high-performance ride. With a higher ground clearance, a sporty and rugged appearance, and a roomy interior with plenty of cargo space, the Model Y is ready for any adventure you throw, and when it comes to performance and efficiency, this electric powerhouse doesn't disappoint. With a range of up to 326 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 150 miles per hour, it's ready to take you anywhere you want. You'll be leaving all your gas-guzzling friends in the dust. Many electric vehicle buyers face a tough decision of choosing between the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3. But when it comes down to it, Model Y is the clear winner for several reasons. First, the Model Y is an SUV, while the Model 3 is a sedan. The Model Y offers more cargo space and a higher ride height, which is perfect for those who need a practical and versatile vehicle. The Model Y also has more extended range, compared to the Model 3's coverage of 358 miles. This makes an excellent choice for long-distance trips or for those who frequently drive on the highway. In terms of performance, the Model Y has a slightly faster 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.5 seconds, compared to the Model 3's 3.1 seconds. This, combined with the standard all-wheel drive, makes it a more responsive and capable vehicle on the road. Both the Model 3 and Model Y offer a range of advanced technology and features, including a touchscreen display and panoramic glass roof, and Tesla's autopilot features for semi-autonomous driving. However, the Model Y has a few additional features that the Model 3 does not, such as power folding, heated side mirrors, and a hands-free power liftgate. The Tesla Model Y is the ideal vehicle in terms of size, range, performance, and additional features. The Model Y is a clear choice if you want a practical, capable, high-performance electric SUV. The Model Y is an electric vehicle that excels in performance and range, making it a great choice for a wide range of driving needs. It's quick and agile on the road and has a long range of up to 326 miles on a single charge, allowing you to easily take it on long-distance trips. With its advanced electric motor, the Model Y delivers smooth and responsive acceleration. This makes it one of the quickest SUVs on the market and perfect for drivers who value a sporty and agile ride. To make charging the Model Y even more convenient, Tesla has developed an extensive network of supercharger stations. With over 2,100 superchargers worldwide, you can easily find a station to get your Model Y charged up and ready to go. And with the ability to charge at home using Tesla's wall charger, you can conveniently set your Model Y overnight in your garage. One of the coolest features of the Model Y is its autopilot system. With autopilot, the Model Y can handle much of your driving, taking the stress out of stop-and-go traffic and making long-distance trips a breeze. When it comes to the design of the Model Y, it's hard not to be impressed. The Model Y exudes a sense of sporty sophistication, from the sleek lines and aerodynamic shape to the bold and aggressive front fascia. But let's be real, the Model Y comes with some pretty sweet rims. I mean, just look at those things. They're practically glistening in the sun. Sure, they might not be practical for off-roading, but they do look good on the highway. The exterior design of the Model Y isn't just about look. It's also designed for functionality. The Model Y's aerodynamic shape helps to reduce drag and improve range, while the front fascia and hood design help to improve visibility and reduce wind noise. And with standard all-wheel drive, the Model Y is ready for just about any road condition. When it comes to comfort, the Model Y has it all. The Model Y is designed for long-distance comfort, from plush and supportive seats to ample legroom and headroom. No more cramping, squirming, or fighting over the armrest. Everyone can stretch out and relax in the Model Y. It's not just the seats that make the Model Y comfortable. It's also the advanced technology and features that help to create a relaxing and enjoyable driving experience. With a touchscreen display and panoramic glass roof, the Model Y provides a bright and airy cabin, perfect for soaking up the sun, with features like dual-zone climate control. You and your passenger can each set your preferred temperature and never have to argue over the air conditioning again. The Model Y's quiet and smooth electric motor makes for a peaceful and tranquil driving experience. No more loud engine noise or vibration. In the Model Y, you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Safety is a top priority for Tesla Model Y, which shows in the advanced features and technologies packed into this electric SUV. From its all-electric powertrain and advanced driver assistance systems to its strong and rigid body structure and 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the NHTSA, the Model Y is designed with safety in mind. One of the standout safety features of the Model Y is its all-electric powertrain, which eliminates the risk of fuel leaks or fires. In addition, the Model Y is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that helps to keep you safe on the road. These systems include autopilot, which can assist with steering, braking, and acceleration in certain driving conditions, as well as the full self-driving capability, which enables the Model Y to navigate complex roads and intersections without driver intervention. The Model Y also has a strong and rigid body structure that helps protect passengers in a collision. And with 8 airbags and automatic emergency braking, the Model Y is equipped to handle various driving situations. The Tesla Model Y is a safe and reliable vehicle designed to protect you and your passengers on the road. Whether you're driving around town or hitting the highway, you can feel confident in the advanced safety features of the Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is a top choice for an electric SUV that boasts impressive performance, advanced features, and a sleek design. From its long range and advanced driver assistance systems to its safety features and 5-star rating, the Model Y is a standout vehicle in the EV market. Thanks for watching our video about the Tesla Model Y. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll get notified every time we upload a new video, so you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest from us. Hey, and while you're at it, why not leave us a comment and let us know what you think about the Model Y? Are you impressed by its performance and range, or do you have other favorite features? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below.